Hello guys, welcome to this video. So today what I want to show you is a new strategy that I've been using for pretty much the whole year. Now, I wasn't really going to share this strategy because it's been such a good strategy for people to get involved in prop firm trading, to make a lot of money in prop firm trading. But then I thought to myself, if I can share it with at least some of you that are really dedicated to actually wanting to make money on prop firms, some of you can actually get your first payouts or big money in prop firm trading. Because a lot of people I've spoken to in prop firm trading, they haven't actually made their first payout. Now, I've made many payouts in prop firm trading and actually made clients, money from prop firm trading and helped them to trade their own prop firms, as well as for people to trade their personal accounts. So I want to share that knowledge with you. Now, if you look at my screen here, what I'm sharing with you here, so if I just go to here, so this is one of the strategies that I'm testing. So as you can see on here, I scroll down, as you can see here, the current balance is 999 on an FTMO trial challenge we're doing here. But then look at the floating profit, 4,000, right? 4,000, that's crazy. And this trading strategy is pretty much a fixed lot trading strategy, and you don't even need to use big lot sizes, 0.01 fixed lot. Now, why this is so good is because if you have a prop firm that you have to stick to fixed lot strategies, or maybe you've in the past been using martingale strategies and you haven't really had success, or you've blown accounts, this allows you to manage your money a lot better. And also with prop firms that have, fixed lot trading as strategies and they don't allow martingale or grid trading, for example, this will actually work for that pretty well, and you can get your payouts. And this will actually work even better if you're putting on a personal account, because then you can manage your risk a lot better and you're pretty much going to make profit when the market swings in your favor. Now, the other strategy that I've been using is this one. So this one is another fixed lot trading strategy. This one focusing on FX pairs. So as you can see, the profits I've been making on this. Now, I've just kind of let it run on a high risk setting, as you can see here. So I got a little bit of drawdown here. Nothing too bad. But I'm just kind of experimenting to see how powerful this can be. So I've really kind of pushed this to the absolute limit to see what would actually happen, to see if I can stress test this method, to see if it would fairly challenge or whatever. And literally stress testing it with I don't even know how many pairs I got on here, maybe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I probably got maybe 20 pairs or something, and it's really managed to be resilient even during news and still make profit. Now, that's what you want to do when you have an EA or strategy. You want to stress test that strategy to the absolute max, because then when the market swings in something that's not in your favor, you want to know that that strategy can uphold that. You don't want an EA that's just going to work some of the time. You want one that's going to work through even the crazy market times as well. So if you want to access pretty much the strategy I'm using on these accounts, so this one that's, doing pretty crazy, I might just start closing some of these trades. So if I want to close the trades, I can just put on a close OEA. So I'll put in a close OEA. And then I'm just going to put a random number like 1%. And then it's going to close all the trades anyway. So I just press OK. And then if I just go to the balance here, so you should see the balance start increasing. So now I'm just closing all those trades, and that's going to reflect also on my phone here. So as you can see on here, let me just get close to this camera. So I tried doing my best to zoom in for the camera for you, but as you can see here, the trades are closing. We're making crazy amounts of profits. You can see the balance is going up right now. Now, this EA, if you want to explore how to use this EA in this strategy to make a lot of money on prop firm trading, literally message me. All the details on your Telegram and my Instagram. Access me on there. So if you really want to make it in prop firm trading or personal account trading and make a ton of money, message me, guys. I'm always going to be open to helping you out, and I can work with you depending on what kind of budget or funding you have. So I even work with people that have small accounts, even like $50, $100 accounts, but then I also work with people that have 100,000 accounts, which are like not even prop firm accounts, like personal money of 100 grand. I work with all budgets and sizes because my goal is to help you to get success in trading. Because when I started trading, I did not get this kind of help from anyone. And if people are trying to sell you Telegram groups or say do this, do that, guys, listen, it's simple. You don't need to pay hundreds or even like thousands to get into automated trading. It's quite simple to do. All you need is someone to guide you through it and to give you software that you can trade with. And I'm willing to help you if you want to learn. You just have to be dedicated enough. So that's it for this quick little video. I'm going to go and eat some food, and then I'll get back into more trading sessions later today on my own personal accounts. See ya.